How to activate staking and generate airdrop coupons on BLoveDApp. Open your BLoveDApp app and go to the wallet. All the transactions involved in this process will require a gas fee in BFIC. Kindly make sure you have enough BFIC in your BLoveDApp wallet before proceeding with any transactions. Also, ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Click on the airdrop button at the top of your screen. Tap on the airdrop details button. Select the BLoveDApp and Love Wallet option. These two are combined as one, and a total of $3 BLD will be required to activate them. Check your balance displayed at the top of the screen. Click on the Activate Staking option. Your staking will be activated as soon as the transaction is successfully completed. Now, if you go back to your airdrop details page, you'll see the amount in front of BLoveDApp as 0, because the amount has been staked. And now a value is available in front of Love Wallet. This amount can be directly withdrawn to our Love Wallet address. How to withdraw your BLoveDApp airdrop to Love Wallet. On the airdrop details page, click on the Love Wallet option. Paste your Love Wallet address. Click on the